This 14 American wire gauge THHN wire from XRDS RF uses a solid bare copper core, so voltage drop is low and circuits stay stable even on longer runs. The tough thermoplastic insulation with an outer nylon layer shrugs off heat, moisture, oil, and abrasion, which makes it feel very dependable in demanding installations. Its rating for standard building voltages and high operating temperatures in both dry and damp environments gives extra confidence when routing it through conduit or tight panel spaces. The green color and consistent jacket quality make it especially handy for clearly marked grounding and other dedicated circuit work in residential and commercial projects. Installers will appreciate how smoothly it pulls through conduit with insulation that resists nicks, yet remains flexible enough to route around corners without fighting it. With a generous 200-foot length on a single roll, it covers multiple lighting, control, and panel wiring jobs without constant reordering or splicing.